Here is a little Python mystery. Today, if I run this dictionary, what I will see? So currently, I have installed a Python ideally of version 3.13, and if I run this, let me try to see the output, and I see that I'm getting an example dictionary which looks exactly same, and obviously it would, but what I want you to notice is the order. The order is also preserved when I print this example dictionary. But if you had tried the same code in Python, let's say 3.5, you might have seen something entirely different. And you might also not have predicted that before. So to demonstrate what I'm trying to say, what I have done is I've gone to python.org and installed Python 3.5, and let me pull up the 3.5 ideally. So what I have done is here I have pulled up this ideally. So let me copy this dictionary here. So this is a same example dictionary, and if I run this and try to print this here, you see the first entry is C. Surprisingly, it becomes C. Now after this session is so within this session, if I let's say try to print this again, this order will be preserved, but initially I don't know. So if I just close out this and open the ideally again and paste the, one second, let me pull up that dictionary code again. So if I pull up this again and Control V, example dictionary, now notice here this time it changed. So you cannot predict, you could not have predicted that the order of dictionary will be preserved back then in Python 3.5. So what is going on here? Let's talk about it for a moment. So it's the same dictionary but a different order. So for to understand how actually it works, let's travel back and see how Python dictionaries behaved before version 3.7. So this particular feature that you see, that order will be maintained, has been implemented in 3.7. So pre 3.7 behavior was that if I create a dictionary, that dictionary will not be a ordered collection. Okay, they were just hash tables under the hood. That means the way keys were stored dependent on their hash values, not on the order you inserted them. So inside one run of a program, the iteration order was consistent. Okay, so for example, if I again show you that within this program, if I again print this, you will see the order will be consistent. But again, if you restarted the program, the order could change. In one run, it might be maybe D, A, C, but in another run, you could have A, B, D, and things like that. That randomness came from something called as hash randomization, which was basically added for security in Python 3.3 to make certain denial of service attacks, DOS attacks as they are called, harder. Okay, now what are your options? Well, let's say if you want to preserve or if you want to enforce this orderness. Back then there was this package, inbuilt package called collections. One second. And in this collection there was this class called ordered ticked. Now this class used to be used to preserve the insertion order. So if I create a new dictionary using this ordered dict from this example dictionary, and if I print D now, you see, now you might be wondering like why the order is shuffled, because internally the example dictionary currently in this session has been represented like this. So for this dictionary the order is maintained, right? But the idea is that it will remember the insertion order. So as you insert more items, it will remember those. Now when did that shift happen? It happened during 3.6 to 3.7 version. So things changed with Python 3.6. The C Python implementation started preserving insertion order, but it wasn't part of the official language spec yet. So by 3.6, it was just an unofficial thing. Then came Python 3.7, where it became official dictionaries. Official that dictionaries will now guarantee the insertion order, which will match the way items are inserted. So now when you write this dictionary, for example this one, it will give you consistent results across different runs, across platforms, and across everything. So in other words, dictionaries became both fast hash maps and ordered mappings. Now we can also contrast and compare this with sets. So sets are still unordered right now. So if you create sets, you will get different ordering if you create sets in different runs. So for example, if I, let's say, create a example set here, and this is a 3.13 version, and if I create, let's say, A, B, C, D and E, and this is my example set, and if I print this, you see the order is shuffled. Right now, if I copy this to make sure that I have this access, and if I close the interpreter and open the interpreter again, 3.13, so this is a current version, and if I print this again, you see now it's B. So currently sets are still unordered collection. They still rely on that internal hash randomization thing. So to recap what we have discussed is, before 3.7, dictionaries were hash tables with unpredictable ordering between runs. If you needed order, you had to use ordered dict. And what was the ordered dict? As I have already demonstrated, this comes from the collection package. Now the relevance of ordered dict has decreased since the Python 3.7. From 3.7 onwards, dictionaries officially preserves insertion order, and that's the behavior we rely on today. So I think that would be it. So next time you loop over a dictionary, remember you are looking at one of Python's biggest historical changes. So if you enjoy these deep dive into Python hidden details, make sure to subscribe. I've got more of these things coming up. Thank you so much. And if you also have some sort of feedback, put those in the comments. I'll be glad to cover them in some later videos.